Hi, my name is Freddie Blackett. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Patch. At Patch, we help bring the joys of living with plants to those who don't know where to start. Plants are an easy and really effective way to decorate your store without having to break the budget. So here are my top tips for how to bring your store to life using plants. Start from the top. Hanging plants from the ceiling is the fastest way to make a space feel fuller and almost like an indoor jungle. Often the space above our heads gets forgotten, neglected, so this is a really effective way to put it to good use. Make a statement. Indoor plants are a super easy way to make a statement in your space, especially when you use tall ones like the Howea Forsteriana, or as we call him, Big Ken. He is unmatched in his ability to transform a space. Think outside the shop. Covering the outside of your store in plants always catches the eye of passers-by, as they stand out from the endless parade of concrete and brick that we normally witness. Now, whereas indoor plants tend to be pretty consistently green, outdoor plants come in a whole spectrum of colours. Purify your space. There are some awesome plants out there that freshen the air in your space by filtering it of the toxins that come from cleaning products, from paints, from furniture, from car fumes. Now, these guys look great and they're super tough. Create contrast. So when your customer comes to the till, the last thing you want is for something to get in the way of them making their purchase. But that doesn't mean you have to sacrifice having a few plants around. They'll bring a great variety in texture, height, and different shapes that will really excite the customer at the point of purchase and just enhance their experience of working with you and your brand.